Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can cash out SweatCoin for our money, real money. And for that you need to open up your app, and the thing is you cannot directly cash out from SweatCoin's app, and for that you need to create an account on Sweat Wallet. And for that just go to your Play Store App Store, and there you will be able to find this option or this app called Sweat Wallet. Just download it and open it up, and after that just go to your Sweat Wallet and click on login with SweatCoin. Then it will fetch up all your data from SweatCoin app and all the steps that you have walked or the coins that you have earned. And after that it will provide you an option to withdraw your SweatCoins and to a different exchange where you can convert SweatCoins into USDT or USDC, and then convert that into your currency, your native currency of your country. And this is how it all works. So what you have to do is just download this Sweat Wallet, and after that approve this login. Make sure that you have walked certain steps before approving, because it won't allow you to approve login until and unless you have walked some steps. And after that just transfer your sweat coins to KuCoin or Bybit account, as SweatCoin is listed on these two exchanges. And after that just convert that SweatCoin into USDT, and then you will be able to cash it out into your currency. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.